Placing the capacitors. First, return to the components panel and search for capacitor 22 small n and capital F 16V0603. Then, select the found capacitor in the search result grid. Right-click on it, then select Place from the context menu. Third, while the capacitor is floating on the cursor, press the Tab key to open Properties panel. Then fourth, in the General section of the panel, type in designator C1. Then fifth, expand the Parameters section of the Properties panel and open the Value drop-down of the footprint entry. Many of the resistors and capacitors have several footprint models for a different density levels. Then select the A variety as shown in this image. Then 6. Using the visibility control in the parameters section of the panel, enable the visibility of the capacitance parameter and disable the visibility of other parameters. Value of the capacitance parameter will be shown in the next component in the design space. Then the 7th step, leave the other fields at their default values and click pause button to return to part placement, and the capacitor will be floating on the cursor. Press the spacebar to rotate the component in a 90-degree increment until it has the correct orientation. Then 9th, position the capacitor above the transistors. Refer again to the image or the diagram shown here. Then click on the left mouse button or press enter to place the part. Then 10th, position and place the capacitor C2. Lastly, right click or press escape to exit the part placement node.